عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we will talk about cases where تفخيم and ترقيق are allowed for the letter ra. We mentioned before the cases of ترقيق and the cases the cases of تفخيم also. So today inshallah we will take a special case where both ترقيق and تفخيم are allowed in the same word, so we can make the راء مفخمة and at the same time we can make it مرققة. Okay, let's start with the word مصر. When I connect it to the next ayah, it will be of course مفخمة. Why? I will say like مصر. Why? This is easy because it has a fatha. The ra here has a fatha, so when I connect it, it will be pronounced as a heavy letter. But the idea here is when we stop on it and then stop on Misr. I have two ways to stop with. Number one, I can say Misr, Tafkheem, okay, and this is the common way, Misr. And number two, Tarqeeq, lightness, and this is uncommon one, okay, which is Misr, Misr. So I can say when I stop, I can say مصر, and this is the common way, or I can say مصر, light. So the scholar said that it could be heavy or it could be light when we stop on it. Okay, let's move to the second word, which is القطر, عين القطر. Okay, here when I connect it to the when I connect it here, it has a kasra, right? So very easy. When I say عين القطر ومن الجن, did you notice here the ra has a kasra? So very easy. I would pronounce the ra as a light ra because it has a kasra. But the idea is when I stop on it. When I stop on it, you have two options. Okay, you can, when you stop on عين القطر, you can say عين القطر or عين القطر. Okay, so when I stop, I have two options. Number one, I can say القطر, and this is the common way. And the second way I can stop with is التفخيم, heaviness. I can stop on it as القطر, heavy. So this way is not common, but both of them still correct. Okay, here in Surah Saba, I can, when I connect it, عين القطر ومن الجن, so light. But when I stop on the ra here, I can make it heavy, like القطر, or I can make it light. This is for the word قطر. Okay, now let's move to the word فرق. When we connect it here and when we stop on it. Okay, let's see. So here, the word فرق, when we stop on it, it will be مفخمة. It will be heavy. So I say فرق, فرق. This is how we stop on it. Okay, this is easy. But when we connect it, we have two options. When we connect the فرق, okay, we have two options. We can make it مرققة, and this is the first option, the scholar said, and we can make it مفخمة. So both of them, فرق is a special case in the Quran. When we stop on it, yes, we can make it, when we stop on it, we make it مفخمة, فرق, okay? When we stop on it, we make it مفخم. But when we connect it, we can read it مرقق, فرق, or مفخم, فرق. And both cases are right. Word فرق came in Surah Ash-Shura. We will see here, I have two choices when I connect it. So okay, let's start now. If I want to stop on the word فرق, how can I stop on it? Okay, فانفلق فكان كل فرق. This is how I stop. تفخيم, heaviness. فرق. Okay, this is when we stop. Okay, if I want to connect it to the following, I can say فانفلق فكان كل فرق كالطود العظيم. مرققة, light, and this is the common way. Or I can say فانفلق فكان كل فرق كالطود العظيم. Heavy, مفخمة. Both of them are correct. Where both تفخيم and ترقيق are allowed is when the ra is sakina because stopping and it's preceded by fatha or dhamma, okay, and after the ra we have a deleted ya. يعني for example the word نذر, okay, it originates from ونذري. ونذري, there is a ya, okay, but it is deleted, okay. And فأسر, okay, فأسر أصلها or it originates from فأسري, okay, and the ya was deleted because you know فأسري, it's an order verb, it's فعل أمر, so we delete the ya. And in the word يسر here also it originates from يسري, so we deleted the ya here. Okay, so these three cases or these three words we can pronounce the ra as a heavy or we can pronounce the ra as a light ra. So in case of تفخيم ونذر فأسر يسر, so this is in case of تفخيم. In case of ترقيق we say ونذر فأسر يسر ترقيق, lightness. So both of them are correct. Okay, so in the word فأسر and يسر, both of these two words, we stop on these two words optionally. Why? Because they are in the middle of the ayah. But ونذر, this is in Surah Al-Qamar and it's at the end of the ayah. فذوقوا عذابي ونذر here. So of course we will stop on it because it's at the end of the ayah. Okay, so these cases, three words, okay, we can pronounce the ra heavy ra, or we can pronounce the ra as a light ra, but it's better to be light. ونذر فأسر يسر, it's better to be light, okay.